So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqastech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on iPhone battery percentage on iOS 16 update. If you also want to do that, keep watching full video. In this video I am going to show you if you have not showing battery percentage on your iPhone yet, I'm giving you some solutions so you can easily turn it on. Before moving to the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Let's start video without wasting any time. Firstly, open your iPhone setting app. In setting app, you need to tap on general option. You can see a person screen, general option. After tapping the general option, you can see a person screen. There are showing about. Just tap on about. In this section, you can see a person screen, battery showing here. Just tap on that and turn on your battery percentage. You can see a person screen in the top right now, battery percentage showing here. If you want to turn it on from other side, you need to scroll down here and tap on battery again. You can see a person screen, tap on battery percentage and turn it off or on from here. If you not showing your battery percentage yet, you make sure your iPhone updated on iOS 16 latest update. If you not update your iPhone to the latest update, please update your iPhone to the latest version and easily turn on iPhone battery percentage. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.